So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can clean gigabytes of hidden junk files on your Windows. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply press Windows plus R key on your keyboard, and once you do that, just simply type this clean mgr. Once you type it, just simply hit enter and go to this, and now here you have to select the driver of which you want to clear the data, clear the junk files. Now just simply go to the site and wait for some time to get it sorted. Now optional, what you can do is just simply click on this option of clean up system files. Be very sure about it, because this all is safe. You're not gonna lose your any personal file. Now once it analyzes all the junks, just simply check mark all these things, and once you do that, let me just quickly check mark all of them. And once you do that, here you can see I've almost accumulated around 4 GB of 4 GB of junk file on my system, and I can directly delete it. I can just simply hit OK, and it will quickly delete all those junk files from my system. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.